Assalamu alaikum guys, today I'll be making Yemeni Baklava with cinnamon. The ingredients for this recipe are written in the video and in the description below. Add the flour, sugar and salt into a large bowl and combine them together. Then add the egg, oil and water to the dry ingredients and knead. Once the dough is firm, add a small amount of water to the surface of it and let it rest for 10 minutes. After the dough has rested, knead it again until it absorbs all the water. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, make the syrup and brown the butter. Add all the ingredients for the syrup except the vanilla into a pot and let it boil for 5 minutes. Once the time is up, pour the vanilla into the syrup and then take the syrup off the heat. Now we'll make the butter. Place the butter on a pot and let it simmer on medium heat until it becomes brown. Once the butter is brown, add cinnamon to it and mix them together until well combined. Grease the pan with melted butter. After the dough has rested, cut it into small round pieces and coat them in cornstarch. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let them rest for 15 minutes. Once the dough have rested, flatten them out by hand or by using a rolling pin as shown. Stack them up while brushing each sheet with butter before adding the next layer. Here is a more convenient way to flatten and layer the dough. After you're done, place the baklava in the fridge to ensure it will be able to hold itself. After a few minutes, take the pastry out of the fridge and cut it into any shape you want. Place the baklava on a preheated oven at 350 degrees until it becomes golden. Pour the syrup over it right after you take it out of the oven. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.